Hi there, this is Maths with Angela doing a bit more trigonometry with you. So I'm looking at the trigonometry triangles we've got. So we've got so sine of the angle opposite hypotenuse, CAH, so that's cos of the angle adjacent and hypotenuse, and then TOA. Okay, so tan of the angle opposite adjacent, and you need to be able to draw these and know how to use them. So let me go through the steps of this one, D. Okay, so I'm trying to find the missing side. Okay, so step number 1 is label up the side. So we've got the hypotenuse opposite the right angle, we've got the opposite, which is opposite the degrees, and then we've got the adjacent. Step number 2, cross out the letter that has no number or doesn't need to be found. So this one here, no number and it doesn't need to be found. We then pick one of the 3 triangles that has A and H in it, which is the middle one. We draw that. Okay. We now cover up what we want to find. So we want to find A, so I cover up A. So I'm left with cos of the angle, which is 40, multiply, because when they're next to one another you multiply, by the hypotenuse. So you put this in the calculator, cos 41, close brackets, times 71, and to 1 decimal place is 53.6. Hopefully that's helpful in further using your trigonometry identities. Okay, so these 3 need to be learned. Good luck with your questions. Bye.